Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 2 of IED. I just wanted to briefly go over a few things in your week 2 folder, as well as a few things I added to the course materials, like sub folder, before you click into the actual week. So that's where I am. I'm in that subfolder. I clicked into course materials and I've added a few things. So I've got key terms. So if you click in here, you'll see the Unit 1 key terms, which I'll add Unit 2 and 3 as we go along. And then I also have the Cornell Notes template for IED. So we'll be taking notes in this class. I recommend that you take them virtually. I will have you turning in notes, but if you're more a handwriting person, that's fine. You'll just actually have to take a picture and attach that picture to your submission. But when you click on that, you should be able to access the document. If not, I'll fix that. Somebody will tell me in one of my periods. So don't worry if you can't access it right now. I will get it fixed. But you should be able to either click in and see this or click on the actual words and it'll open up the Google Doc template. And then you can go File, make a copy, and then you'll have a copy in your Google Drive. So those are those two things. And then finally, just the engineering formula sheet. I think I went over this, not 100% positive if I did. This formula sheet is every equation that you will need throughout all PLTW classes. So if we click on this, you should see, it loads. It's 11 pages, but if you go down to the bottom, it tells you which classes need it. So ESS, IED will be using this page, POE. Scroll down here, ESS, IED. You can see at the bottom which classes need which pages. So for example, this page, only POE, DE, ESS, you do not need this page. Unless you see IED at the bottom, you won't be using it. So that's the formula sheet. Now let's click into week 2. So in week 2, we're going to start talking about the engineering design process and all the things that are involved. If I have to have you memorize something this year, it's going to be the engineering design process. I want you to know it inside and out. It's a 6-step process, and we'll be going over that. Right there's the PowerPoint. We'll also be talking about how to write a design brief, and then I'll give you a design brief template. Now, as of right now, all I have is a note check where you'll submit the 2 Cornell notes for the engineering design process and writing a design brief. I will probably add another assignment. I just don't know what it is yet, so check back here probably Wednesday, Thursday for an added assignment. Not sure what I want to do yet, but that is what we're going over week 2, and I will either see you guys in class or on Zoom. Bye!